Two Manitoba First Nations are suing the federal and provincial governments over oil and natural gas rights. In a claim filed last week, they say the rights were given away without proper consultation. Standing by live with more is CTV's Harrison Shin. So Harrison, what are the First Nations asking for?
Merely the Chinook-Pawakpa Dakota First Nation and Dakota TP First Nations say they are entitled to government-owned subsurface rights in southwestern Manitoba. The claim stresses private landowners are not targeted in the action. Two Dakota First Nations in Manitoba are suing over oil and gas rights, saying if the province or the feds won't come to the boardroom, they will meet in the courtroom.
The word Dakota means the allies, so we're very much wanting to be allies, but it seems where provincial and federal governments are not so quick to come to the table with us.
The Chinook-Pawakpa Dakota Nation and Dakota TP First Nation here in southwestern Manitoba say their rights were given away. The claim concerns the subsurface rights of Manitoba's portion of the Williston Basin, which spans Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, even 3 states, Montana, North and South Dakota. The First Nations say the government gave away their rights without consultation. They are asking the Crown's portion of subsurface rights to be transferred to them and damages to account for the, quote, loss of past, present and future use.
The value of the oil and gas extracted is well over $1 billion a year in Manitoba. The Dakotas have never been compensated, and the Dakotas have never participated in any of that oil and gas activity.
Trippier emphasized private property owners are not their targets.
Manitoba currently, there are no consultation engagement agreements with the First Nations on the oil patch. We aim to change that.
Chief Pache says the court case might compel the governments to come to the table.
We are rights-bearing communities, not a political organization or incorporated entity, but the actual First Nation is the rights-bearing communities.
Chief Raymond Brown of the Chinook-Pawakpa Dakota First Nation wasn't able to attend due to inclement weather. We reached out to the province and the federal government for comment. The province says they are unable to comment since the matter is before the courts, and the federal government did not respond. Trippier says he aims to have the case heard within 5 years.
So Harrison, what is the dollar amount attached to this action?
Well, Merely, there's no exact figure as of yet. We did ask the First Nations lawyer about the damages, but he said that will be determined throughout the litigation process.